Hospitals, clinics, GP surgeries, dental practices, you are all under immense pressure. So it comes as no surprise that you have challenges in delivering your excellent standard of services, managing your costs, staff shortages, minimizing wait times, keeping your information secure, and for those in private healthcare, maximizing your revenue. Akixi can help you tackle these challenges by streamlining many of your daily processes, which could otherwise, if not looked after, move you further away from your goals, and ultimately you'll spend a lot of time achieving very little. Akixi is a communications reporting platform that lets you keep on top of your comms across the board, both in real time and for historic information to help you see trends in ways you can easily understand. Use the Akixi wallboard, for example, to help monitor and manage the number of incoming calls efficiently and try to ensure that every call gets answered in an acceptable time. But we know that isn't always achievable. So with Akixi, you can also quickly identify any missed phone calls to make sure that you return those as quickly as possible. And those reports even automatically update when you do return those phone calls, so you can be sure that no calls are being left behind. And you can also view stats like average wait time and set alarms to ensure you stay on top of any, well, you know, we guarantee to answer your call within 10 seconds SLAs that you might have. And then using the historic reports, you can look back to identify any call trends like busy periods where you could move staff around, making sure you're delivering the very best service. And all of this combined just lets you be the most efficient you can be with the time and resources that you have. Keep up to date with the latest Akixi news and information at Akixi.com and the Akixi social channels.